In case of an emergency only in case of an emergency, only then you can.
So that's my biggest fear as a bride.
A good skincare routine and a matching pair of lingerie is all that you need for your honeymoon.
That's so true.
I give my brides this touch-up kit. You have a look at it. So it has got.
Oh wow, I love it.
What do you think? What do you want for your big day?
And today when I sit back and look, or when I just go for a function without makeup on, I have people coming in and telling me, oh, you have that bridal glow, you're glowing. And I'm like, wow.
Are you excited?
I am.
Okay. Shishya, is there any advice that you would like to give to the future brides, who are planning their journey, who have just started their wedding journey? Welcome, Sansia.
It's a pleasure to be here.
How are you feeling today?
I am excited, nervous, happy because my big day is nearing. And yeah, that's about it.
Okay, so I would like to start this interview with you on a very rare note, like a question that brides are not really asked so frequently. So I would like to know, what is your biggest fear, Sansia? What is your biggest fear as a bride? Like, what do you think can go wrong on your big day?
So as a bride, my biggest fear would be having a very sweaty face on my big day, like you're wearing the makeup from morning to evening and all of a sudden you have that sweaty face and in pictures. So that's my biggest fear as a bride.
Okay, look no further because Fenty Beauty has just launched their sweat-proof primer.
Oh,
So what this does, it makes your face or the places that you usually sweat, it makes it completely matte.
Okay.
I've done a wear test for this like for around 15 hours and it was absolutely matte. So I can guarantee you that with this product, your makeup is not budging anywhere, even though you sweat.
yeah, but matte I do agree, but I do want to look dewy and radiant on my big day. So
Got that? Yes.
that's my main key as well.
So there is a very simple solution to that, which most of the makeup artists use. So what we can do is we can just apply this product on the areas that you sweat. So mostly it's around your nose.
No,
It's on the T-zone.
Yeah.
That is where the sweaty parts are. And we will leave your cheeks just the way they are.
okay.
Probably just we can use a pore filling primer instead out over there. So 2 different primers on your face. And then when the natural oils seep through, then it will give you like an inner glow of like a dewy skin. So both the problems are targeted over here. Your sweat is also controlled from your T-zone and it will still give you a dewy finish on the rest of your face, like your cheeks.
Yes, I would love that. I would love.
So have you ever had a problem of like sweating, like your makeup separating on your face? Have you ever had an issue like this in the past?
Yes, I did have for one in the weddings that I had put on makeup, and the sweat kind of had my makeup crack.
Oh, okay. But see, you don't have to worry that. When it comes to being my bride, most of my reviews say that my makeup lasts all day long. But nevertheless, I give my brides this touch-up kit. Here, have a look at it. So it has got powder puffs, it has got Laura Mercier setting powder, it has got a lip liner, it has got blotting papers, it has got cotton swabs, concealer. Just in case if you feel like your makeup is cracking, a concealer, a face pad, and a lot more other goodness in that. So this will be given to you for your big day. So
Are you serious?
as a
Wow,
backup,
that's
in case of an emergency only in case of an emergency, only then you can use them.
Oh, that's lovely.
So tell me something, what is your vision as a bride? What would you like to look like?
So as a bride, I want to look dewy, radiant, fresh. I don't want to look like when I met him.
Okay.
I just want something very new, very fresh, very radiant, very glowy. It's my day. I want to look like the star of the day and glammed up. So that's my vision.
Of course, that's like a main character energy, right?
It is.
Most of the brides, this day comes just once in a lifetime.
Yeah.
Okay. So obviously, you should stand out on that day. Okay. And you should look like the main character.
Yes. That's it. That's exactly what I want.
So would you like to try different looks, Sansia? Are you open to trying different looks when it comes to your eye makeup, your face makeup?
I think yes, I am. I am open to experimenting because, as I said, I want to be something very different, not what someone sees me every day. I want to be outstanding that day.
So I'll tell you how I usually do my bridal trials, okay? So I build up the look. First I start with a natural eye look, and then I go into a total smoky eye look. So it goes from natural makeup to like neutral to glam, then to a full-blown smoky eye. So we build it up slowly, and I show you exactly which part of the makeup I'm building up. So then we can stop where you like, or we can build it up and take it to a full-blown smoky eye. How comfortable are you with incorporating glitters?
I think I am very comfortable with glitter, but yes, it should not be like too much. Something a little neutral.
Sure. So see, this is 2025. The makeup industry has moved ahead. So glitters are not that scary. Now you look at this beautiful pan, okay? This is from Moira.
Okay.
Look at these foiled glitters. These are called foil glitters. Like, just take a swatch of this and see how pretty it looks.
Oh my god, that's so soft.
Yes.
Still glittery. Yeah.
Yes. So there are different sorts of glitters, pan glitters, and there is loose glitter in the market. So here, have a look at this one. This is the Fenty Beauty All Over Diamond. It's the mini size. It's not launched in India as yet. It's going to launch in another 12 days. This is their All Over Diamond. You can apply this all over your body.
You say you can apply this
all over your body. So we can apply this even on your collarbones, on your sleeves, on your arms, so that it can give you a nice, reflective, beautiful glow. And this product is actually sent to me by Tira. Thank you so much. Yes, Tira sent this to me, and thank you so much. I really like the services that they provide, and amazing staff, assistants, good energy. Anyways.
Okay, but Ashu, I also want to have like a peachy glow, like that flush of color. So a peachy, plumpy look. So what about that?
So actually, it's very much achievable now, because Huda has launched its different shades of powders which give you like a full-on filter effect. So for a peach glow, we have the Huda Beauty Peachy Pie powder. Here, have a look at this shade, which will see. It looks only like a peach tone powder.
Yes, it does.
So it will give you like a lifted effect, like a brightening effect right under your eye, and it will give you that peach glow that you are longing for.
Oh wow, I love it.
Okay, so what do you think about your lip? Like, how would you like to have your lip? A matte lip? See, most of the brides, they want to do like a long-lasting lip. Everybody wants to go in for a matte lip. But right now, gloss lip or semi-gloss lip, they are trending right now. It's all over Instagram. I always want my brides to have like a nice glossy lip. Matte lips, yeah, of course, it's a classic. But what do you think? What do you want for your big day?
I think for my day, I would love to go in for a nice, plumpy, glossy lip. That's the vision that I have. So, do you have anything for that?
So to see, right now you have beautiful shape of lips, but we can enhance it by using a plumping gloss. So what I usually do is, I'll put a nice lip color, like a lip tint. So even though that will be like your first base, okay? Then after that comes your lip color. After your lip color, then I'll be putting a plumping gloss on top of it. And right now, I have the star of my kit, the Too Faced Lip Injection. It's literally an injection, Sansia. Here, have a look at it. It smells also amazing.
Wow.
When you wear it on your lip, it'll tingle your lip like for a good 5 minutes. But the effect that it will give you, it will completely plump your lip. It will give you a gloss effect. And it really stays on also for long. It has this small little shimmer particles which don't look really loud, but they give you like an excellent effect, even in HD photography.
Oh wow. I would really look forward to trying this.
Yeah.
I really love it.
Yes, definitely, definitely. So Sansia, can you tell me what about the skincare tips that I gave you? How did you like it? Did you incorporate it? And
To be very frank, I love every bit of it, Ashu. And I booked you, I think, like a year back, right?
Yeah.
And since then, I have been using all these small, small tips that you've given me on and off. You've been checking on my skin on Instagram and stuff,
Yeah.
and saying, oh, you have this for a glowing skin. And today, when I sit back and look, or when I just go for a function without makeup on, I have people coming in and telling me, oh, you have that bridal glow, you're glowing. And I'm like, wow. So yeah, I loved it.
Oh my god, I'm so happy to hear this. I'll actually tell you something. A good skincare routine and a matching pair of lingerie is all that you need for your honeymoon.
That's so true.
Okay, so now you like the skincare guidance that I've given you, right?
Loved it, yes.
So you are definitely going to love my bridal smoothie. I call it the bridal smoothie.
Okay.
It's my own recipe. I've been having it for years now. It also aids to a lot of health benefits. It tastes delicious. It gives you high levels of energy. And I would really like if you would try it right now and give me like your reaction, your first reaction to it.
I'm up. Yes, yeah, I'm all in.
Amazing. Let's go. Okay, Sansia, so here's your bridal smoothie. Are you excited?
I am.
Okay, cheers.
Wow, that's like yummy.
Wow.
I love it.
She likes it.
What did you put in this?
So this is having a lots of nuts. This is having some seeds. It's having rolled oats. It's having cocoa powder, almond milk, and like a dash of honey. And it's literally a meal in a glass. So this can be like your meal replacement because this fills you up. It's got chia seeds also, which fills you up for a good 6 hours. Okay, you don't even need to have a meal after this. Your energy levels are really high. Your mood is really light. And the health benefits that you will get from this. Okay, so your hair will be way more glossier, your skin will shine, your nails will be so much more stronger, your energy levels, like I said, will be skyrocketing. And what more do you need?
I would love this. I really love it right now. It's so tasty.
Cheers to us once again.
Cheers.
So as we are moving towards the end of this interview, I would like to know, is there any advice that you would like to give to the future brides, who are planning their journey, who have just started their wedding journey?
Yeah, actually, I would say everyone tells you that it's a very smooth ride. Enjoy the process, but what they don't tell you is there's a lot of things that happen up and down. It's not necessary that every day would be the same. So seize every day, whether it's the highs or the lows, but you would not get this planning time again.
Wow.
So seize every single moment that you have and enjoy the moments that you get to plan for yourself. Have your me time through this time, as well as give your partner the time. And this is the time where you will enjoy, you will have ups and downs, but this is the time where you will be the most you that you'll see.
So amazing.
That's the only advice.
Amazing. So thank you so much, Sansia, for being with me here today. It was so much fun, especially showing you like what I can do to fix everything, the smoothie.
I loved it.
And your piece of advice for the brides, it's so heart-touching. Thank you once again for joining me.
So much for having me here too. Thank you.
Bye guys.